Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope every one of you is doing well. First of all, wish you Happy New Year 2025. It's been a while. I was absent out of because of my busy schedule. I was thrown absent and I was unable to make the videos just because of my busy work schedule. So today the video is going to be too interesting, and then you will enjoy the video only at the condition when you watch the video until end. Today we are moving towards a new destination, which is one of the states within Malaysian Peninsula. Its name is Kedah, and within Kedah there is a area which is quite rarely explored, or we can say like people don't really know much about that area, and that is the tropical rainforest of Ulu Muda. Ulu Muda rainforest basically comprise of 100,000 hectares, if I'm not mistaken. The overall land of Ulu Muda forest, and it's a tropical rainforest, a jungle where there is a huge number of wildlife. You can observe elephants, tapir, Malaysian tapir, which is one of the endangered species, Malayan Tiger, and clouded leopards. So there are so many fauna and flora that are situated on this that island, you can or on that land of Ulu Muda, you can see in that forest. Now we are heading towards that, and I want you to be with me, stay tuned with me, and follow my video, follow my channel. If you follow my channel and keep subscribing and looking into my videos, I will feel encouraged. So I hope that you will help me in this journey of making as many followers as we can, and I wish you a Happy New Year once again. So enjoy the day with me. On the way going towards the destination, we have observed many of the villages and beautiful landscape, which was really mesmerizing. Finally, we have reached to the Taman Negari Ulu Muda, which is the lake viewpoint of Ulu Muda. Alright, so here you can get the information also about this forest, Ulu Muda, and this is a gallery of the birds which are at this place, and some basic information about this. In order to reach to the jungle, we have to go through this jetty, because the point where we are heading to is a bit far and is more near to the riverside. This you can see is a lake which is in this area from the jetty point, which is Muda Lake. And after the Muda lake is the river which is adjoining to the lake. The enchanting views of this lake will make you feel mesmerized and make you feel captivated towards this point. You will really feel that you want to be the part of this nature. You will love your adventure and you will love this journey. In this surrounding, you can observe so many hornbills flying and roaming from one tree to another, which is really so captivating. You can see so many hornbills in this vicinity. So finally, after 50 minutes of boat ride, we have reached into the river. Alright, so we just reached to the forest of Ulu Muda, and now we want to go to the hot water spring. Che, apa nama? Khairul. So we just came with brother Khairul to that place, and he is the one guiding us. Alright, so we have just landed into the jungle. Alright, so we have entered into the jungle. This is a very dense jungle area near to the water shore. It's like an adventure into the jungle. Ini apa? Okay. Alright, this is elephant footstep. You see here, this is the elephant footstep. So Mr. Khairul is guiding us that there's elephant footsteps and the tapir rhino footsteps. Tapir is actually a kind of a Malaysian. There's another kind of footsteps. Ini apa? Tapir. Ini? Alright. So this one is for the most year. You see, there are so many animals actually passing through this area on the daily life. We are just going through this area in order to track what are the animals. You can see here so many footsteps of elephant. These are the big footsteps of elephant. Feel the silence of jungle, but the silence has a sound, and it's beautiful. You can see here the frequent steps of elephant. Means this is the path of elephant. Alright, so we are just heading. See the jungle. This is the pathway of most of the animals through this way. Nature is beautiful, isn't it? Alright, so now we are completely into the jungle. You can see the dung of elephants. You can see another dung of elephant. This area, very few. This is the hot water spring. You can see the footsteps of tapir, elephant. This is the hot water spring where mostly these elephants used to come and drink water, mostly at the evening time. And probably we have been told that this is the time, mostly what time the elephants are coming here. Here you can see the footsteps of tapir, and Mr. Rizal told us if, for example, we want to go to the water spring, we have to remove our shoe. So I just removed my shoe, and now we are heading to that place. These are the footsteps of tapir. If you see this is very clear footprint of tapir. So here you can feel this water is a bit cool. This is very cool. See here, another dung of elephant. This is another dung of elephant. This is another dung of elephant. So this is a place where there are so many dungs of elephants around, which show the proof that in this part there are so many elephants. Oh my god. So here the soil is a bit warm. You can see the smoke here. The smoke shows that the water here is so warm, so warm. And this is the Panas area of Ulu Muda.
Selalu binatang masuk sini lebih kurang dalam tengah malam. Lepas tu petang lah.
They say mostly in the night and in the evening. And this is mostly petang.
Maghrib lah, senja-senja.
Maghrib time, okay. Mostly at the Maghrib time they used to be here. It's 5 p.m. here, and Maghrib mostly like around 6:30. So you can feel the voice of. It is believed that the water here, the warm water, is basically a remedy for the animals within this vicinity. Only this particular part is warm. And this part where I'm standing, the water is really cool. So, which shows that this part of earth is warm. The soil or the mineral, something is in the earth that makes it hot, warm water. So let's just go further. Here you can see the footsteps of baby elephant, the small elephant. You can see here also the footsteps of elephants. And the water is really very clear, very cool, because this is the river water within the jungle. You can see another footstep. This is all the jungle, if you can see. A jungle that is full of tigers, snakes, elephants, leopards. Unfortunately, we cannot get a day permit, means a stay permit. We're just able to get the permit to enter into the jungle and to have a trip within the in the short premises. But it's still, the short premises is still like 2 kilometers from the boat, which I believe is too much. So I hope if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the like icon if you like the video. Thank you. And this is how the journey of Ulu Muda forest ends. I deeply feel that my soul left over there within the forest of Ulu Muda. And I wish everyone must bear a spirit to explore such beautiful places. I really love wildlife, love the jungle adventure, and love this kind of things. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.